Hi guys, welcome to Vijay Views. I hope you guys are safe and healthy. So guys, in this video, I'd like to give an update about the channel. I know Friday also have not done any videos, guys. I'm really sorry for that, and I wanted to give some updates about the channel for the future. What exactly I've planned, and why there's no consistency in the channel. Right, I want to convey that as well. Uh, Before that, I would like to wish you all a happy Pongal and happy Shankranti uh, to all my fans, right? Uh, More than fans, I would like to say subscribers, because I don't have that huge subscriber base, or I don't even call myself a influencer, right? I'm just here to create a video, create an awareness about the uh, bike knowledge, what I have gained in 10 to 15 years of my biking journey, right? So that is what I'm trying to do it with my channel. Even though in earlier in the starting I've done different kind of videos, uh, few did work, few didn't work, but my earlier videos are picking up right now than my the new videos, right? So earlier videos are really doing very well. So with 1276 subscribers at present, in a span of 1 year, right? So it's not the next level growth, or it's not very less, right? So getting that 1276 subscriber itself is a really an hard task, because we see every day new channel coming up. All the creators are really good, guys. I don't want to compare and disrespect anyone, right? So I've not done that before. I've not do in future also, not even in my lifetime, right? I'll not disrespect anyone. Everyone is doing their job. Few might have the knowledge about it, few might will gain the knowledge on the process, right? So I'm not going to disrespect anyone, but in this 10 to 15 years, whatever mistake I made, that is what you see in my videos, right? So even though I share the information about the bike information like anyone else, but I deliberately keep my thought in the end, right? So if you have watched my videos completely, you clearly know that at the end I clearly say, go take a test ride, do a multiple test ride, only then invest the amount, right? So any product, any bike which comes out for a launch, you can't trust with just the on paper informations, right? Or you can't just go with the walkarounds of the creators or the publications, right? So they are doing their job, but as a owner who's going to uh, buy the vehicle, it is our responsibility to take multiple test ride, first understand the nature of what is your nature of riding, right? So if you ride only on highway, taking a naked bike will not work. In the same sense, if you're buying any adventure bike and riding in the city, that might work, right? So you can take it on the highway as well as you can use it in the city. So there's always a thought about what vehicle really suits you, right? So that is the main intention on my videos. uh, Whatever information I give, I keep the main knowledge about whatever experience I've gained. Even though I've not ridden any big bikes, I clearly say upfront on the video, I've not ridden any big bikes, but few of my friends have it. So I really understand, right, why they have brought it, what is the intention of that particular brand, right? So that is really important when you buying a vehicle. you're going to use it in the city or on the highway, what is the exact purpose, then invest it, right? Before investing, what will be the maintenance, that is also very important, right? So just paying 1 lakh or 2 lakh upfront amount and buying the vehicle will not work. So after you finish 800 or 1000 kilometers, when you give for a service, you might have negative impact, right? So the service bill might go up. So this is, as a owner, you have to first check with the showroom guys, right? Nowadays every showroom really they give the information, few might not give it. It is okay to go with any other brand if the showroom guys are not giving you the complete information, right? So this is the main important why my videos are not really picking up, even though I see initially more views, later it settled down in some place, right? Few did really do well for Royal Enfield 2022 video. The Interceptor is really doing well, and the new video is also about the Royal Enfield is really doing well. But the negative side is about the dislikes. uh, I totally understand. I don't have any control over the dislikes or the unsubscribe, right? I know many there are many other creators who can do the video production very well. They are very capable in doing that. I would upfront say that, yeah, if you like that kind of a video, go do watch it. I don't have any problem about it. But to gain the bike information, if not technical, the experience what I share on the videos, if you like that, do subscribe to the channel. There's long way to go, guys. I say this because I've been trying to do a different uh, stuffs on the channel with the bike related videos, right? So at present I'm doing the information kind of videos sitting in the room, right? But I've been constantly checking with the showroom guys for the test rides. uh, I don't see any positive response. uh, it is really very painful that when showroom says you should have 10K subscriber or 15K subscriber to really give the test ride, right? So until and unless someone gives a chance and really gives an opportunity, only then anyone can do very well in their life, right? Not only in YouTube or any other uh, job also. Until and unless no one recognizes the channel or the uh, individual person is not really is going to grow. So even the test ride did not work. Apart from the test ride, I did even ask for the walk around kind of thing, that also they denied it. In Bangalore, believe me, I've tried each and every showroom. This is the response which I got from the showroom, right? Minimum 10K or 15K subscriber is the mandatory thing to give and test ride to the channel owners, right, to shoot. Apart from this, I even haven't planned about the bike ownership reviews uh, in the same product related videos itself. Bike ownership reviews, I wanted to do it, and in that I want to change a concept little bit. uh, Anyone who is willing to uh, do a video with us on the platform on my channel can easily drop an email. Already it is available on the about section also, so you can drop an email whenever you are free. We can schedule a time and we can shoot it, right? Again, guys, no fancy cameras, I usually shoot on my phone and the action camera which I have with me. So every resource is very limited. uh, I hope so. That is why my channel is also not growing. uh, I don't believe in fancy edit or fancy thumbnail, guys. It might gain some subscribers or the viewers in the starting, but in the long term it really doesn't work in that way. Whatever content we try to give it, that is what is going to stay. I strongly believe in that. So there is one plan which I have, uh, and what I wanted to do with that. So about the channel videos, already I've changed it for 3 days, so that you'll be getting it, uh, timely update you'll be getting it. And in the job front also I have little bit problems, guys. Due to financial burden, I have joined a company. Again, I don't believe that I'm going to continue with that company, right? So I am again in search of other job, uh, because till 1 year I have an financial crisis, which will have an impact on my channel. I might not be on time on videos, but at the same time, if I don't feel that I shouldn't do this video, I will definitely not make a video about it, right? Just to increase my video count, or just to uh, get an ad revenue, I won't do that. Hardly I have earned any money from YouTube, right? So last year August was the uh, AdSense approval which I got, and in that whole, from August to December, I've earned only $11. I'll share the screenshot on the screen. You can check it out. So in terms of the revenue also, I'm not doing that great, right? I understand when uh, there are more views on one particular videos, even if it is good or if it is bad, people try to watch the video, right? But I don't believe in that. Until and unless you watch the complete video, you stick on to it, you come back and watch it, the revenue part is barely very minimal. So until and unless on YouTube, what I've researched and what I understand is return audience and the CPM rate on the particular video, right? If this two works really well, if your views count is very less, also you will earn very well on YouTube. So that is main important. If your views are in lakhs or millions, obviously you're going to earn more. If your CPM is very less, also you're going to earn more. But if your CPM is very high and if you are getting less number of views, you are going to earn very well. With the channel, I don't have an financial expectation from YouTube much, guys. At present, if I work for a company, I might get around 20,000 max, because I've studied only first PU. So no one exactly gives more salary for that kind of an education, right? So on YouTube, if I'm getting around 30,000 or 40 also, I would be more than happy continuing the YouTube full time, right? And in this next 1 year, it is very difficult for me to be on time, but I'll try to be on time on videos. But few time it might change with the times. But I really believe in what the video output should be, right? This all are the update, guys. I hope this video is gives clarity, right? If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. There are many things planned for the future, guys. There are travel related video also. In this year, I don't see the travel related videos happening. Again, the COVID cases are rising, right? So I don't want to risk my audience just to do a video, right? So we'll look into it later when the COVID cases are very less. Again, I do have a problem with the action camera, right now I use the Chinese action camera, the company called TI, right? If you are a biker, you might know the brand. So when we had this Chinese website Banggood and Gearbest, I brought for 5,000 rupees imported, and I use that camera, right? So that really doesn't work that really good in terms of the uh, data acquiring, right? That really doesn't work. In terms of video quality, it's really on par with any GoPro, but the taking data from the action camera itself is a pain. The app doesn't work properly, so there are many problems which is running behind the channel. Not only for me, any early stage creator or big creator for that matter, if they are not able to deliver the video on time, there are multiple uh, problems which might be there, that as viewers uh, we don't know exactly. So believe in your creator. uh, they might do well in the future, right? At present it might be some constraints to do perfect videos, but when the channel grows, surely they will also grow uh, with the video production and the knowledge what they want to share it, right? I really appreciate my all fellow creators. uh, I don't really blame on anyone. If anyone is blaming me, I'm okay with it, because I really don't care about it. But from my side, there won't be any negative feedback to any particular channel, right? I don't believe in that. Enjoy your Sunday, guys. Really sorry that I've made 17 minutes video. I just really wanted to convey what is happening on the channel, and all whatever I had in my mind, I've already shared it on the video. Will do well with this channel. Stick on to it. I know I have 1,277 subscribers. In that, 130 are regular viewer, written viewers. Will do good in coming years or months, right? Please enjoy your Sunday. Bye. See you.